with us for over a month, and I think it's enough now.
Lois, I'm the whole reason he lost his job and his house. Besides, I can't throw my best friend out on the street like a prom night dumpster baby.
Hey, what are you doing out here? Don't you want to dance?
Sure.
I'm just a prom night dumpster baby. I got no mom or dad. Prom night dumpster baby. My story isn't long, but boy, it's awfully sad. And though I came from a hole, I'm singing right from the soul. He's singing right from the soul. My fanny needs a blanket and somebody to spank it. I miss my mom,
But she's at the prom.
so I'm a prom night dumpster baby. Prom night dumpster baby. And I'm taking a stroll. He's taking a stroll. I'm taking a stroll. He's taking a stroll. I'm taking a stroll. He's taking a stroll. I'm taking a stroll. He's taking a